Okay, hold it, baby. Ah, I ain't like third gear. I like set first and second. Oh man, damn. I thought he was really finna be doing something. I like the way that first. Yeah, it's that cold for me. I bet I ain't gonna be cold. Well, if it do get cold, I ain't gonna be cold. Y'all ass gonna be cold.
You don't remember last season on 32 degrees? I was out here in a t-shirt, me and this big motherfucker.
Oh, I did have y'all on video. That's when. Are you the brother that got the door slammed in the cock with his thing?
That's his brother.
Oh yeah, that's his brother. We was outside that day, y'all. His brother thing got slammed in the door, y'all. In the car door. They on there talking shit, man. Jason Devonnie. They talking that shit, man. You know that don't bother me at all. I don't even respond back. They still trying to figure out what pisses me off. I haven't figured it out yet. How do I rewind? Team Thundercock, man, with the two. Oh, who was that? A high booty man. Ooh. Oh, he like them high booties, y'all. You know, the ones that don't be dropped all the way down. I know y'all done seen one of them high booties before. Or the booty be like too high. I like, you know. Look out. I got a new one.
I like this.
Appreciate it, man. The High Booty Man.
Yeah?
That's my new subscriber name.
The High Booty Man.
A High Booty Man.
I like it.
You like the High Booty Man?
I like booty.
He like, yeah, I like booty. I like booty. I think I'll be the low booty. I like the low booty. Oh, yeah. Somebody, yeah, he like that giraffe booty. That booty that sit up. You know, that booty that be like that. He like that giraffe booty, man. Look, Team Thundercock like shit. Anyone this Thundercock will take. Oh, snap. Nah, Home Depot ain't race yet. You just in time, man. Nah, they ain't stopped selling tacos. They done moved it. I should have clipped the footage that day when they was snitching on me, y'all. So I could have put it in the video and just kept rewinding that mug over. You know how I be putting them songs in my YouTube videos. I would have just replayed it over. If somebody find it and clipped anybody snitching on me, trying to say that I shouldn't be driving with the phone on Twitch and trying to get people to report me, I just make a video, put a little music in the background, have that mug jamming so everybody can see them snitching. They be like, who that snitching? I'll just have it in the background and that'll be the verse of the song, y'all. That'll be the verse. I'm finna start rapping on my, what you call it? Jason Devonnie. Alright, bet. Jason gonna get the clip up. Trade AM3, appreciate the sub, man. It's finna go down on her. Oh, High Booty Man sub too. Already. Louis HP. Luis 1. HP, appreciate the follow, man. make a song, y'all. I got all my studio equipment, and now they talking about I need another. My MacBook that I got, y'all, a mid 2012. Now they talking about I need to get a better. They talking about I need to get something newer, man. Now they, man. Oh yeah, I might need to make me a remix, y'all. We be subbing. You remember that song, We Be Clubbing? Everybody like when the club say something. It was made by Ice Cube. You ain't heard it? I think it was on Players Club. I'ma have mine gonna be We Be Subbing. Ticklefish left word. Ticklefish my boy, y'all. Wait a minute. Let me see, EMP556, appreciate the follow. Rapid Transit, you out here, man? Look out. Oh, this ought to be a good one. I want to say, damn, this gonna be a good one, y'all. I think this Mustang, he supposed to win, man. I'm going with the poster. That Mustang supposed to win, man. He got an LS Mustang versus Trent heavier Camaro with a conventional motor. I appreciate all the subs, man. 214. Oh, hold on. Right lane, I thought so. Right lane, that Mustang won, y'all. Hey, Jason Giovanni, I appreciate it, man. Look like a V6 Trent. Boom! Goddamn, look out, baby. Bad Boy Blue. Let me see who else is there. Bad Boy Blue with the sub. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, that was a good race. I like to see races like that. I know he had to nose him out in the end. Whole team Thundercock in this bit, man. Pro Stock 61. Pro Stock 61. We got 214-924-1666.
No, it's him.
Damn, I don't like that number. That number got 666 at the end.
It was the one. I did make sure.
I just said it. I ain't know it. No, I don't like your number, bro. It was cool.